Hey guys, it's Lee up here at Sunstoppers, one of the tint techs. Just showing you the new bay here at Sunstoppers and Matthews. So we just combined two of the stores, that way we can make pretty much the ultimate tint shop. Plenty of cars can fit in here, lots of work can get done. This is a prime example of what all we can do up here. This car has 5% tint all the way around with 35% on the shield, and I believe 20 on the sunroof. It's in our XR Plus film, so you're getting 99% UV ray rejection, 98% heat rejection. This top line film on the market. It's gonna help keep your car cool, keep any sun damage from happening, keep you much cooler. Very beneficial this summer. The car also has paint correction done as well as ceramic coating, so you can see the glossy finish. For a 17-year-old car, it looks nearly brand new. If you're interested in any of these products, feel free to give us a call. We got plenty of room for you up here in this new shop, and we would be happy to do it for you.